Okay, it's us.
Yeah, I'm definitely not racing this shit though.
I mean, I'm not gonna launch it.
Nah, I know, but nigga, I did a roll with one of these shits, nigga, they killed me, bro.
Really?
Bro, bad. Nigga, chest are hot, bro.
Huh?
Chest are hot.
That's what I'm saying. They be calling the cops over everything.
The bro sound calm though, bro.
It's not great. Like, it depends. Like, when to go high up.
Yeah.
And then I have the.
The downshift sound.
And then it would just, like, continue.
Bro.
When it's lower, it would just pop, 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 pop.
What the fuck? You didn't tune it for Burbos, that's what it came with.
Nah, I just enhanced it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nigga, how the fuck you tune an Audi, bro? I don't know, I'm a Beamer, nigga.
When we get back, I'm gonna show you.
Nigga said, "I'm gonna show you."
It's literally so easy. On my tuner, sent me the files, and that's it.
Oh, it's like a custom tune type shit.
Technically, it kind of is a custom tune because I had them tune it for like my shit, kind of like because this has like everything RS.
Yeah.
So I had them tune it for more of an RS, so it makes a little bit more power.
You know what I'm saying? This shit sound like an RS, nigga.
That's what I'm saying. Exactly. Like I had it tuned for like an RS.
Shit. Audi got it with the interior, bro.
Nah, bro, I love the interior, bro.
Nigga, what, bro? This shit got massaging seats and all, bro. It's not even a fucking S6, bro.
I can control your seat from my seat.
Yeah, like,
Fucking have three zone climate control.
yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I might switch teams, nigga. RS3.
You know everybody.
Nah, niggas gonna be hating on me though.
Hating.
Nah, they gonna say got an RS3, bro.
No, but them shits is fast.
Nah, they are fast as fuck. Only thing I can't get with the what the fuck is the transmission, bro?
Nah,
DCT, bro.
That's what it is. It's just the transmission and shit.
Like I like it, but when they're launching it, bro, it feel weird, bro.
Yeah,
Like it launches in neutral and then just grabs the gear, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Like, feels like you're breaking something.
Bro, even at that, as soon as you left the brake, it's like a little delay before it gets into. It's like, nigga, I'm gonna lose, bro.
The last S5 had the same shit.
Yeah, I can't do that, bro. That's how I like the little 8 speeds.
Yeah, these was bulletproof too.
No cap, nigga. Maybe I get you a radar, bro.
Yeah, facts. I mean, I'm not really. They don't really harass me because I live over here.
He said, 'cause I live over here.
No, they don't harass me. I don't like the cop. He's I'll do the rolling into that.
Alright, bro.
I'm sure there's no fucking ears behind
This shit sound crazy. That sound like an obnoxious burble, bro.
When I put it in dynamic, then it will start going obnoxious.
Nigga, this shit kinda fast, nigga. I need one. Nah, this shit sound good though, bro. Still for stock exhaust, bro.
It is
stock exhaust.
I just call it resident.
Oh, you cut your resident? Okay, yeah.
That's really good.
Nigga,
I was gonna cut them off, so I'm like, this is perfect.
nah, this is perfect.
This is literally
if you would've
perfect.
cut them off,
Like,
like, went straight pipe, nigga, should've been crazy, bro.
That's what I'm saying. And then when I'm cruising, it'll sound like.
Nah, niggas would know, bro. Like, I mean, you would definitely get caught up with police for that one, bro.
That's what I'm saying. And then, like the handling.
Damn.
I love the handling of this shit, bro.
Nigga, I'm about to go just trade my shit in, bro. That nigga's making me not want an N55 no more, bro. That Quattro, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Like, the handling is there. Like, and I can drift the car too.
This shit could drift, nigga.
Yeah. Cause that's if you get the one with the
6, nigga?
You don't see how big? Oh, when we get out, I'll show you how big the brakes are.
Oh,
it's just
fuck
as big as that. And then the back one's got 4.
Yeah, you see? I only got a single in the back. Single, where the fuck it is? The 1 piston, 2 piston, where the fuck?
Yeah, I think.
And I got 4 piston in the front.
A 4?
Yeah, I got 4 in the front. That shit doing this thing, but
Yeah, M-Sword brakes.
yeah, bro, the M-Swords for like Beamers only give you 4. Even like the Mari shit, the Mari shit only got 4. Now if you get like a fucking big ass truck like the X7s, they got 6 in the front.
Yeah, I know them shit's big as hell because you see it.
Yeah, they gotta stop.
Like 22s.
Yeah, they gotta stop.
They got 22 stock room.
Damn.
Nah, that nigga Jaden cruised to shit.
Bro, what, bro? That nigga. Yo, he sent me. I hit him for the bumper. I was like, yo, you got your bumper? He said, I gotta get another one. I'm like, fuck happened? He sent me a picture. I was like, bro, what?
Bro, you cruised to shit.
Nigga said the boulder pulled my shit off. And I was like, a boulder. Nah, these some back roads in Chester for real. Nigga, I ain't never seen a road like this, bro.
Huh?
This shit like the road going to Newburgh, bro.
It is. If you go straight, it goes take straight to Newburgh.
What the fuck? This shit got good torque, bro. That's what I like.
Bro, it's like 560.
Yeah, my car don't do that shit, bro. I don't ever feel when I'm going fast.
Like, oh, bro, this shit is making like only 450, but it feels so fast to the twerk.
Bro.
Like, I'm not even making crazy now. It's just.
Nah, you making your good power, bro.
The twerk is insane.
So you gonna keep doing more shit to it, bro?
I'm gonna get an intake, bigger intercooler.
Yeah.
And on my turbo blows, I'm gonna get a bigger turbo.
Do they got another tune for this for the engine? Like, I know my shit got stage 2 plus, so when I get a bigger intercooler.
Stage 3.
Stage 2. So that's if you get an intercooler?
That's if I get a turbo.
Oh. Damn.
And it's stage 3 plus. I still, oh yeah, I got my fuel pump.
Yeah.
I can run full E. I can run E right now, even on stock everything.
But I do like E blend or some shit like E30
like
or something.
I can run like E, I think the highest is E60 right now.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Like when I get the pressure pump, maybe I can run full E85.
Bro, I can only run E30 without my shit really trying to kill itself.
you can hear it type shit like start misfiring or something.
Yeah.
I don't put E in it so because I don't
Nah, don't do it now. It's too cold, bro.
Yeah, that's really it. Unless I'm racing something, I don't need
This shit crazy, bro. What the fuck? I might just have to go M340, bro.
This was another option. Like that was a direct other option was an M340, but the only reason why I didn't get the M340 is because of this interior.
Nah, yeah.
That's it. The only reason why I didn't get the fucking M340 was because of this interior. And this is a 2018.
Nah, that's tough.
That's what I'm saying. This is a 2018. Like JP's is a 2018. That's a 2018.
Where this thing was in the car, he was like, I don't like my ambient lighting, bro. Nah.
Like this is JP's is a 2018. They have everything all the new shit got in the 2018. But it's also because Audi's a generation behind.
Oh yeah.
Apparently the new cars about to have all Porsche like a hybrid. The new cars are gonna have a hybrid some shit.
Hybrid, turbo hybrid transmission.
Yeah, some shit like that.
I know when they did the hybrid
like
transmission.
560.
Hybrid transmission, the new M5. See, some shit to make the transmission just get up a little bit faster, bro.
Yeah, I seen that shit. Exactly. That's literally what they are.
Damn, y'all just got out of work? Y'all just got out of work?
No.
That's just something crazy.
JP told me to pull up. He wants to see why Jaden shit was leaking. Jaden shit was leaked out like a quarter oil yesterday.
He probably leaking his oil pan or something, bro.
That's what he was telling me. My oil pan is leaking right now.
Yeah, if it was some shit on top, he would smell it though, cause that shit would have came right into the cabin, bro.
Exactly.
I didn't even see that nigga, bro.
It's fucking cool, the cops.
Bro.
So that's how they be.
Niggas just seen it, she ran out the street. I'm like, what the fuck is that little light shit moving fast as fuck?
At least she was wearing that shit.
Nah, cause if she wasn't, she would've actually killed, bro.
Bro, what? And I'm not even driving fast. She would've just died.
Nah, that ass. There ain't no lights on this street or nothing, bro. Shit sounds super crazy, bro.
That's what I'm saying, like,
Bro, what? I low-key like these S5s though. Like, I would deadass get one if it was like a second car or something, bro. Cause I can't give up on BMW, but
nah, this would be like a nice speaker car.
yeah.
You don't even gotta touch it. I touched it because I'm a kid.
Nah, yeah, bro.
Of course I'm gonna touch it. Like, I was thinking about getting a drink.
Had to breathe for the ground, my need like a rum. Bad bitch and she freak in my feature, she tongue. Believe in my skull, proceeds any funds. My crucially dunce like my weed pan the pump. My tree like school, all my teacher, my fuck chop. You never grab bag on the teeth from my skull.